Hello, welcome back to Bluminate channel. My name is Daniel Jegede. This is Birmingham Property, and we are done. I like what we've done here. If you watch the video from the beginning or maybe from the last episode, you will see what has been done. This was a property we bought for 177,000, I think, and we've done it around in 3 weeks. Everything is done in 3 weeks. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. We also do some home staging, thanks to my wife and some few friends. They came together to help up with the home staging. So let's go inside. Let me show you what it looks like, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. As you can see, we added the fence all the way to the side to make sure that the house is well fenced, for security purposes. So that is a very good one. And I like the choice of the black and white with a little touch of blue in front. So this is the storage. Let's go inside. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. All right, here we are. This is magnificent. I like the decor. And you see what this used to look like from the beginning. All right, this is the living room, and we have the kitchen right there, where you have the bright lights. This is the dining space. All right, what do you think about the artwork? I think it's beautiful. I'll show you what the kitchen looks like. This is the second door that leads out to the backyard. If you want to go, I'll show you what the fence looks like now. This is the kitchen area. We changed the floor, vinyl floor all through. Make sure the kitchen is fully renovated. I really love the backsplash. Everything you see right here now is pretty new. The microwave, the oven, the dishwasher, everything changed new. All right, this is where the fridge goes in. That's the space for the French door, fridge. And this is where you have the laundry room. So the laundry room with the washer and dryer. As you can see, that is the dryer's socket and the exit. This is the washer where you have the hot and cold connections, as you can see. All right, so moving on from the kitchen and the laundry, let me show you the master bedroom. Right here, turn to your left or to your right, and you have the master bedroom. See, the old floor was changed. Ready for it? All right. So if you need someone to do your own staging, my wife does that. You can reach out to her. She has a nice taste when it comes to selection. Right there is the closets. All right. That's the master bedroom. Okay, I'll walk you right to the bathroom, toilet, where we make sure this time around we added, a walk-in shower with the glass. That's one of the feedback we got from our recent flips. Now we need to put a glass right there. So everything is fixed to taste. New quartz. Everything is brand new. The closet, everything done fresh. I like the big mirror. All the lights, everything is pretty new and good. All the way down to the toilets. You know, I think I like the job that has been done here. It's pretty good. All right, this is a 3-bedroom, 2 baths. So let me show you the other 3 rooms, but other 2 rooms. That is the master. So from the living room, you get into this is the bedroom 2. Over there is bedroom 3. You have the restroom here and you have a closet right here. So let me show you the second bedroom. All right, this is not staged. So I wanted you to see what the size looks like originally. So if I walk all the way to the end of the line, this is what you see. All right, see? Okay. And this is the bedroom 3. Looks like the same size. It's the bedroom 2. I'll walk all the way to the edge. All right. Then that's it, except for the second bath. Then I'll show you the back of the house so you can have a feel. Oops, there are the lights. And there was lights. All right, this is the second bathroom. We change the tiles, make sure we change the granite or the quartz. The bathroom tiles, everything is brand new. The shower, we change everything, the restroom, the toilet, make sure everything is fitted. So this is really, really good. All right, let me show you what the fence, the back of the house looks like. All right, so that's the storage where you can put stuff. This is the other door where you can exit from the living room. Now, this is the backyard. We built this brand new. We had to do a survey. That's the HVAC, that's the AC. But we did a survey to make sure that we know the length and breadth or the square foot of the house and what is our area. And from there, we marked it with the city. Then we did all the work and we were able to build a brand new fence. So this house didn't come with a fence initially, but in order to give it a good appeal and to give you an area where you can have a good family time, somewhere you can call your own, and you can also have a nice security, feel like there's security. So this is what we came up with. How do you like it? All right, see that? I think this is where you can come out, you can play, have some fun times. We also cut the trees, the tree branch was going to be falling on the roof. In order to protect the roof, we had to cut some of the tree branches down. All right, that is it.